Six Sigma is a business management strategy originally developed by Motorola USA in 1986 that is widely used in many sectors of industry. Six Sigma seeks to improve the quality of processes outputs by identifying and removing the causes of defects and minimizing variability in manufacturing and business processes. It uses a set of quality management methods, including statistical methods, and create a special infrastructure of people within the who are expert in these methods. The steps in Six Sigma processes are: define, write down what you write to know, seeks to clarify, set objectives and form to project team. Define the following: a problem statement, the customer is critical to quality, what are the critical processes outputs, the target processes and other related business processes, project targets, project boundaries, and project charters is often created and agreed during the defined step.
Measure. This is the data collection step. The team decided on what should be measured and how to measure it. This forms a data collection plan. It is usual for teams to invest a lot of effort in assessing the level of the proposed measuring system. Good data is at the heart of the Six Sigma process. Define the process, critical inputs and outputs, define the measuring plan, test the measuring system, collect the data. The measuring system analysis is performed at this stage. Analyze. The data collected in the measure step is analyzed to determine root causes of effects. Within the Six Sigma, open complex analysis tools are used. However, it is acceptable to use basic tools if these are appropriate. Identify gaps between current performance and goal performance. Identify how the process inputs affect the process outputs. Test the privacy procedure for potential opportunities to improve. Identify sources of variation. Data is analyzed to understand the location or distribution of the data collected. Histograms and box plots are often used to do this.
Improve. Identify creative solutions to fix and prevent processes problems. Use brainstorming techniques like six hats and random words. Some projects can utilize complex analysis tools like design of experiments, but try to focus on obvious solutions if these are apparent. Create innovation solutions. Focus on the simplest and easiest solutions. Create a detailed implementation plan. Deploy improvements. Ishikawa diagrams can be used throughout all Six Sigma stages. Within two project steps, we can use this to help brainstorm potential solutions.
Control. The control monitors the improvement and ensures continuous success. Create a control plan, update documents, business process, and training records as required. Control charts can be useful during the control stage.